Hi guys, welcome to Stack Reframe. So in the previous two videos, we have learned all about the introduction to HTML, CSS and JavaScript, the basic structure of HTML, and also the core concept of HTML that are tags, elements and attributes, isn't it? But since it is the starting of our web development course, so the first two videos was majorly about the theories, isn't it? But from today, we are going to concentrate majorly on practicals. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the important tags that are used in creating a web page. Okay. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm just opening my VS Code here. Okay. And before starting this video, guys, please install the live server extension. Okay. So you click here, you will write live server here. This live server extension will come. Just click it and install it. Since I have already installed it, it is giving me a disable and uninstall button. Now, what live server does is, whatever it makes your page live, isn't it? That means whatever you write, it will automatically get loaded to your page without reloading your page. For example, let me go live here. Okay, so you see, we have our page introduction to HTML where I have written welcome to my channel, isn't it? I'll just make it small. Now you see, if I write here something, for example, a stack reframe, I write, you see, it is loading, isn't it? I have not saved my video also, but then also it is automatically making the page live, isn't it? So please make sure you install this, okay? Because it is going to help us always. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new file here. When I click here, I'll write here, let's say tags HTML, isn't it? .html. I have given the file name as tags HTML. I can give more tags in HTML, isn't it? .html is the extension. I am just hitting enter and it is saved now. Now this file is open here. Okay. So I'll close this and I'll open this. Now, if you write, give here exclamation mark here, you see there is a emmet abbreviation coming, as I have already discussed in the previous videos. When you hit enter, the VS Code is giving you a basic boilerplate of HTML version 5, isn't it? So if you are getting confused here, you make sure you watch my previous video so that you will understand what is boilerplate and what is emmet abbreviation. Okay. So now in title, I'm going to write here important HTML tags, isn't it? And I'll go live here. Okay, to make you understand more. Now you see our title that we have written is showing here, isn't it? Important HTML tags. So our page is live now. Now whatever we are going to write, it is going to get loaded due to that extension. Okay. Now the first tag that we are going to talk about is heading tag. Okay. We are going to talk about heading tags. Okay. So in HTML, we have a tag called heading, which is used for creating a heading in our web page. Okay. So see, if I write here H1 and if I just hit enter, you see emmet abbreviation is coming. If I hit enter, we are getting a H1 tag, isn't it? It is a pair tag. You see, it has an opening tag also and it has a closing tag also. So if I write here, welcome to my channel, you see, we have got our first heading, welcome to my channel here, isn't it? So this is a heading tag in HTML. Okay, and now we have 6 type of heading tags in HTML, which start from H1 and ends till H6. Okay, and let's see what is the difference between H1 till H6 tag. Okay, I'll write here H2 what I'll do is I'll copy this element here and I'll paste it. Content, I'll paste it here. Now you see, this one is the h1 tag is bigger, isn't it? The after that h2 tag is bit smaller than the h1 tag, isn't it? So similarly, if you write here h3, we'll paste it. h4, we'll paste it. h5, we'll paste it, and we have last tag is h6 tag. Okay, now you see the difference of h1 tag till h6 tag. All six are a heading tag, but h1 is the biggest heading. After that, h2 is a bit smaller than h1, and h3 is the bit smaller than h2, isn't it? Now, if you write here h7, is it coming? No, because h7 is not a heading tag in HTML. We have only h1 till h6 tag. Okay. Now, important thing to note that whenever we are going to design our web page, we are going to use only one time the h1 tag. Okay. This is the basic principle that we follow in web designing, that whenever we are going to use heading tag, and h1 tag should be used only once. After that, you can use h2 tag, h3 tag, h4 tag as many times as you want, but h1 tag should be used once only. Okay. Now, you see h6 tag is very small. Do you think you are going to use anywhere in this, in your web page? No. So generally, we use h1, h2, h3 and h4 also. Till h4 we generally use for heading tag. Okay. So that is all about heading tag. Now we'll go for paragraph tag. Okay, paragraph tag. So the tag for paragraph is p tag. We write here. If you write p, you see there is abbreviation coming. If you click here, you see we have a p tag. This is also a pair tag where we have a p opening tag and p closing tag, isn't it? Now, whatever you will write here, it will come. Let's say I'll write, this is the third video of our channel. You see, whatever we are writing, it is coming, isn't it? Now, for example, if I just remove this till here, you see how it is coming. So this one is the heading and this one is the content that we are writing, isn't it? So this is how we use h1 tag and paragraph tag. Okay. Till now, I think you are pretty clear about it. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Okay. Now we have another tag that is called anchor tag, and it is very important tag. I'll tell you how. Suppose you want to create a link, okay, and when you click that link, a web page is going to open, isn't it? So that can be done using anchor tag only. And the syntax is, if you write a here, the emit abbreviation is coming. If you click here, you see a href is equal to, here what we are going to place, we are going to place the link of the website that we are going to open. Okay, for example, I am writing here https www.google.com. if I write here, okay, and I will write here, click here. Okay, now you see we have got a link here, isn't it? And when you click here, you see Google page is opening, isn't it? So this is how anchor tag works. When you click here, go back, it will go back to our page website, isn't it? Similarly, you can make as many pages, links, as many links as you want. For example, I'll just copy it 3 times and I will just change the link here and I will write youtube.com and I will write here, let's say facebook.com. okay, and I will write here, click here for YouTube, and I will write here, click here for Facebook. Now you see, we have click here. I'll again change here also. Click here for alright Google, isn't it? Now you see, if I click here, it is opening a Google page. If I click here, it is opening a YouTube page, isn't it? Now, if I click on Facebook, it is opening a Facebook page, isn't it? So all sort of things is done by anchor tag here. Now, you must have noticed that whenever I am clicking here, it is opening in the same tab, isn't it? You see, we have to go back here to go to our page, isn't it? Now, if you want to make this page loaded in different tab, you can do it like this. Right click and open in new tab, you can do that, isn't it? But what if I don't want to do that? In that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one attribute here. Okay, if I write here target, you see it is coming target is equal to underscore blank. If I write here, now you see, if I in the first anchor tag we have used, target is equal to underscore blank. Now if I click here, you see it is opening in different tab, isn't it? Our web page is here only, but when I click here, it is opening in different tab, isn't it? Now when it comes to YouTube, it is opening the same tab. Why? Because we have not used target here, isn't it? So what we'll do is we'll copy this and I'll paste it in everyone, isn't it? Now see, if I click Facebook also, it is opening in the new tab, isn't it? If I click on YouTube link also, it is opening the new tab. Our main page is here only. So this is all about anchor tag. I hope you are clear about anchor tag and what is anchor tag and how we are going to use anchor tag and how we are going to make a tag open in new tab, isn't it? So that's it for now, guys. We'll see the other tags in the next video. Till then, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have any question or queries, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.